Similarly, the other antennas can be connected. Now this is the H-plane sectoral horn. Instead of pyramidal horn, the H-plane sectoral horn can be connected in the same waveguide clamp. Likewise, this is E-plane sectoral horn. E-plane sectoral horn can be connected like this for azimuth pattern. Now, in order to connect the narrow wall and broad wall slot antenna, there is a slot waveguide clamp which comes with a rod. Now, because it's a stepper motor, so one needs to be careful. Now we can disconnect the clamp from the rod. Now this is a C clamp, and the C clamp can be connected to this additional rod provided. Now as you can see, this is the slanted slot which is going to be radiated. So one can connect to the waveguide to coax adapter SMA input using the cable. And in similar fashion, the broad wall waveguide slot antenna can be connected. Now in order to connect microstrip antennas, we will remove the C clamp. There is third shaft rod which is provided, and it comes with a cube. So all the antennas can be connected which are microstrip antennas directly on this shaft rod. Now the microstrip antennas include this is a single patch antenna. This is a circularly polarized patch. This is an array of two. And this is an array of 4. Now as you can see in this patch antenna, which is array of 16, now this is vertical, so this antenna becomes vertically polarized. Now as the transmitting horn is horizontally polarized, so we need to connect the patch array in this fashion so that the feed line is horizontal, and this will give the azimuth pattern of the patch antenna. Now similarly, in this same shaft, we can connect other antennas. Now this is a dielectric rod antenna. As you can see, the SMA probe is horizontal. So this will give the azimuth pattern, and this rod can be connected like this. So this will give the azimuth pattern of dielectric rod antenna. And for conical antenna, this is a conical antenna. And this can be connected on the cube. And again can be connected on the centering adjuster. and the SMA cable can be connected here. Similarly, we have two other microstrip antenna, which is a dipole. Now this is horizontally polarized, and this is a monopole. In this position, this is vertically polarized. And also we have four more antennas, which are right-handed circularly polarized helix, left-handed circularly polarized helix, which again can be connected on this cube. Finally, we have a parabolic dish antenna. This is a parabolic reflector, and this is the flange, and this is the parabolic dish feed. Now this will be connected on the same setup which is used for horn antenna, for connecting horn antenna. And in this position, this is horizontally polarized. So it is connected. Instead of a pyramidal horn, the clamp is tightened here at this position, and the dish can be rotated. Now this setup helps us understand how different antennas are connected using different shafts. So total 3 different shafts are provided, one for slot, one for pyramidal, and one for microstrip antennas.